Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this WORKPRO 10-piece precision screwdriver set. I like that it comes in this zipper case so that I know where the screwdrivers are at all times. Open it up. I've got the different screwdrivers. We even got this little tool that we can magnetize the screwdrivers, but let's take a look at the screwdrivers. I like that you can put your finger here and tighten things down, and that's going to turn. There's grippy action here. Yeah, these look really, really nice. Looks like we've got Phillips on the right side and straight slot. And then we got some Torx on the left. So, ooh, look at that. That's a straight slot. That is super, super, super small. The screwdrivers, their length is approximately 6 inches. And I like that on the top, it tells you what it is. Like that's a 1/8 straight slot. That's a Phillips 0. That's a Phillips 00. That's even really small. We've even got some Torx. Yeah, that's a T7. There's even a little number right there. That's a grippy material right there. And how the magnetizer works. So on one side, demagnetizes up and magnetizes in the middle. So if you want to magnetize the screwdriver, you just go right through the middle. It wants to go that way, but just try to keep it right in the middle. Go in and out several times, and now it's magnetic. Yeah, I can tell. It can't pick that up, but I can tell it's magnetic. Now, to demagnetize it, you're going to go right here. This demagnetize area right here. Now, yeah, it's non-magnetic, so you can magnetize it and demagnetize it as you would like. Really nice precision screwdriver set. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.